Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you like these videos and want more, be sure to subscribe. We're here to share content that's simple and useful. Let's get started.
Resetting your JVC car stereo touchscreen is a quick way to fix glitches or frozen displays. Sometimes the system just needs a fresh start. There are three main ways to do this. First, look for a small reset button on the faceplate. This button is usually hidden inside a tiny hole. You can find it near the volume knob or at the bottom corner of the unit. Use a paperclip or a thin tool to press and hold this button for about 5 seconds. The stereo will turn off and restart itself. This is a soft reset and usually keeps your saved settings. If that does not work, try a factory reset through the screen menu. Tap the gear icon to open settings. Go to the System tab and look for the Initialize or Factory Reset option. Confirm your choice to wipe the system clean. Remember that this method deletes your paired phones and saved radio stations. The third option is a hard reset by disconnecting the car battery. Open your hood and remove the negative cable from the battery terminal. Wait for about 10 minutes before you put the cable back on. This cuts all power to the stereo and forces a full reboot. Make sure your screen is clean because dirt can cause touch issues. If the screen remains black, check the fuse in your car's fuse box. These simple steps should get your JVC car stereo back to normal operation quickly. Your touchscreen will respond better and the software will run much smoother once the system reboots and returns to the home screen.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.